Obaseki, Makinde, Ikpeazu don flag off the PDP e-registration exercise for Anambra, as dem dey confident say the party go win the gubernatorial polls. Governor of Edo State Godwin Obaseki and im counterparts from Oyo and Abia, Seyi Makinde and Dr. Okezie Ikpeazu, on Tuesday flag off the e-registration and continuous voter registration (CVR) exercise for inside Anambra ahead of the state gubernatorial polls wey go shele on the 6th of November 2021. Governor Obaseki, wey still be the chairman of PDP e-registration committee, come tok say assurance dey say PDP go win the gubernatorial election when dey come up, and na Anambra State na dem first launch dis e-registration and CVR, and as a committee dem dey charged to commence dis exercise. Im say with dis exercise dem go fit register pipo for the portal as PDP members and also with INEC for pipo wey no be voters. And as far as him know, na only PDP don do dis thing, and e go still make rigging for election hard.
Anambra State is the first state we are doing this. Our committee, that is the Committee on E-Registration, said that because of your upcoming elections on the 6th of November, let us come and test run this e-registration of our party in Anambra State. And I'm glad that we are here to do exactly that today. Because from what I can see in this room, we have a real party. You know, I was on the other side, so I can tell you that as far as I am concerned and as I've seen, PDP is the only party in Nigeria. I've been on the other side. All the other parties are SPVs, special purpose vehicles for election. After election, you don't see them. So the party in its wisdom has said, how do we rebuild our party? How do we build from bottom up? If you read our constitution, it's very clear. The party called PDP rests on the words. The words are the base of our party. So this e-registration we are launching today is going to be driven by the words, by the leadership in each of our 326 wards in Anambra State. And as God will have it, just as we are trying to say, come and join PDP, come and register with PDP, at the same time, we can register you with INEC if you are not already a voter. It is a very simple process. It is based on what they are showing you now, an application. You go online, you say iampdp.com, and the form will come up. Simple. We ask you your name, your address. We will ask you, are you already a member of our party? If you say no, you will say, okay, fine. They will now take your details to help you register with INEC. If you are already a member, it will continue to ask you to give us the details, whether you're already an office holder or not, where you live, and then after that, the person who is registering you, or if you are the one registering yourself, you take the phone, you take your picture, and that is it. Very, very simple process. Once you do that, all that information will come to us in Abuja. And from Abuja, we will print your identity cards and send it back to the wards. You understand? Why is this important? From our experience in Edo during the last election that brought me to power, we realized that with what INEC is doing now, it is going to be very difficult to rig an election.
Makinde come talk say dem no fit rig Edo State election, so dem no go fit rig dis Anambra State election.
We must begin to demonstrate that we are determined to take our destiny in our hands by, first of all, coming out in numbers to register in our various fields. This is very simple. You can deal with your registration from the comforts of your shop. You can deal with it from the balcony of your house. You can deal with it as you return from the farm. It is very convenient, and you can self-register yourself, and you get acknowledgement that you have been duly registered in our party.
While Governor Ikpeazu come out say make all members come out in full capacity to do dis registration, say the process dey easy. Former Vice President candidate Peter Obi come still give dis governors confam hailings as dem come support the party candidate of the state, Valentine Ozigbo. Dis na the ogbonge informate when TMC News carry come give una. My name na Pentecost Ogurure from Anambra.